Xiaomi Pad 5. Xiaomi Pad 5 tablet and Xiaomi Smart Pen have launched alongside the Xiaomi 11T series at the company's global event today. The tablet comes with a 120Hz display refresh rate, is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor, and offers up to 256GB of storage. Alongside the Xiaomi Pad 5, the company has also unveiled the Smart Pen, which comes with buttons to take screenshots and swift shots. The Smart Pen clicks on top of the tablet magnetically, which also doubles up as a charging pad for the stylus. Xiaomi Pad 5 price, sale. The new Xiaomi Pad 5 is priced at €349, roughly 30,300 rupees, for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage option. It is priced at €399, roughly 34,600 rupees, for the 6GB RAM plus 256GB storage option. It comes in cosmic gray and pearl white color options. Sale of the Xiaomi Pad 5 will begin from September 23. An early bird price of €299, roughly 25,900 rupees, has been introduced for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage option. It will be available first through AliExpress at 12 AM PST. Xiaomi Pad 5 specifications. Coming to the specifications, the Xiaomi Pad 5 runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 for Pad and features an 11-inch WQHD+ 1600 by 2560 pixel True Tone display that is 120Hz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, as well as Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 SoC, along with 6GB of RAM as standard. The Xiaomi Pad 5 comes with up to 256GB of onboard storage. The tablet supports Face Unlock, and supports split screen for multitasking. For photos and videos, the Xiaomi Pad 5 comes with a 13-megapixel camera sensor at the back, along with an LED flash, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera at the front with 1080p recording. It packs an 8,720 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. Xiaomi claims it offers up to 10 hours of gaming, 16 hours of video playback, and 5 days of music playback. Additionally, the tablet comes with 4 speakers and supports Dolby Atmos. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5, USB Type-C port, and more. The Netflix app is pre-installed on the Xiaomi Pad 5. Xiaomi Smart Pen. The Xiaomi Pad 5 supports the newly announced Xiaomi Smart Pen. It comes with 2 buttons, one which allows users to take swift notes and the other allows for instant screenshots. The Smart Pen comes with 4096 level pressure sensitivity and weighs only 12.2 grams. It supports gesture navigation and has TPE soft tips which are replaceable. The magnetic clip-on also doubles up as a wireless charging base for the Xiaomi Smart Pen. Xiaomi claims it takes only 18 minutes to fully charge. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.